and welcome again to Brenda Lee's Creations, all things printable and more. If you are new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell and hit all so that you will be notified each time I upload a new content. On this stage channel, you will find many crafting things that I do. Uh, and so that is what I'm here today to show another one of my crafts that I do. I am going to sublimate this 20-ounce skinny tumbler, and I'm going to do it by unboxing my new Heatron tumbler heat press. Now I ordered this back in May. I ordered it before Mother's Day. It came around that time, but as you can see, it's still in the box. I never got around to taking it out of the box and testing it out, making sure it works and all that good stuff. So today I am going to unbox and I am going to print. And so I'm going to print this image here. I've already printed it out. And I wanted to do this back around Easter, but I just ran out of time and did not get to do it. So it's going to be this print. And it's going to go on that tumbler. So if you would just stay tuned while I get prepared to show you my unboxing and printing this image. And it's going to be my first time using this. So we'll see how it works out. So stay tuned. Okay, so I am back. I am going to open up this box. And just so that you know, I am doing two things this morning. I'm finishing up making images for my coasters, my Home Depot coasters that I bought and I showed on another video. I am doing those, so I have my heat press now going to press down that laminate sheet on those presses. So you're gonna hear probably a banging noise when it releases. If I keep focus, I will go over there so that you don't hear that noise. Okay, let's see here. So we have the HTV Runt manual that comes in here. They sent me some heat tape. I have another pair of heat gloves. They sent me two pair, so that's another pair. And now I'm going to try and lift this box up out of the box. And my heat press has stopped, so I'm moving my... Ooh, I dropped them, y'all. So, let's see if I can get these. And I probably just want them lay down here till they cool off. They are on the floor. I'm going to leave them right there till they cool off. Okay, that's what happens when you're trying to do... when you try to multitask. Okay. Let me see if I can just lift it up out of the box. It's coming, but it's hard. Y'all hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I did it the easy way. I turned it over and just slid right down. I don't know why I was trying to lift that thing out of the box. Okay. The drawer came open. Oh, sorry about that. I hope that I don't have no issues with this. Okay. Let's see. So the reason I bought this, I bought it like when I go out to events, that if I wanted to print mugs on site, that I could do that. So as you can see, it's very compact, It's not heavy, so it will be easy to transport. And so you can do mugs and tumblers with this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's right here in the middle. So you're gonna put your ruler there. I was watching Journey Through Time, so I'm gonna have to mute her. Okay, let's see here. I guess I should have read my instructions before I got started, and I'm gonna have to do that. So I'm gonna have to pause this video. I will be right back. Okay, guys, so I am back, and so it's very simple. Like any other heating device. So it is on, and I have it heating up. This is the on button. This is your temperature button. So you press that to set your temperature by pressing the plus sign to carry up or the minus sign to decrease it. This is the time set button. This is for the length of time you want it to press. So I have it at 120 seconds, and it's going to press at that. And my my temperature is set for 380. So it is warming up, and when it reaches 380, we are going to press this mug here. I have wiped the mug down. Well, not the mug, but the tumbler. I have wiped it down, and I'm going to get my image on here. And I have my heat tape. This heats up pretty quick because we at 310, which I had it heating up before I got back on. So I'm going to secure this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so it is wrapped, secured with tape. And it didn't come as close together here as I wanted it to, so I just hope that I'm gonna put some more tape on here, make sure it's down good. As we are going to see. If it comes out good, it will be sold. If not, I will keep it for myself and use it as a display. And okay, y'all, so here goes. Let me get it over here. So you just need to slide it in. It will close completely itself. Well, no, it won't close completely itself. I will have to hit the R button for it to close, but it will release itself. I do not have to turn this cup. I'm just gonna put it in there and hit the button, and it is closing. And the time is winding down, so we are going to let that 120 seconds run out, and I'll be back. Okay, it's time for the revealing. So this is it. Now the cup is a little brown, so the paper scotch, and usually what I do is wrap it with another white piece of copy paper or the white paper to keep this from happening. So we are going to reveal it. It's cool enough to touch now where I can take the gloves off and see what it looks like. So if it looks good, you will continue to see this video. If not, we will not post this video. Okay, so let me find something to take this tape off here. Again, I'm multitasking. I'm doing my coasters as well. And so I just tried out one to make sure I get a good print. And it's about to stop. And so I'm going to go over there. So give me 1 second, please. heat clamp, when it releases, just make the boom sound, and I just don't want that to happen. Okay, so let me get on camera. Let me just do this. I got these old nails and they don't allow me to do very much. Okay. Looks so good so far. Let's do that part. And I think it turned out pretty good. I had one problem, which I knew that problem was going to happen because the paper wasn't meeting, like sort of overlapping, so that I wouldn't have that what did I do with that darn thing? Y'all see it? Okay, there it is. I had it taped down really good. Okay. All right, so this is the image, which I think it turned out pretty good. And so this is the seam that I was telling you. Okay, so that shouldn't have been there, but we have that seam. And so I would just make sure on my next print, but it turned out pretty good. I am liking it. The only thing, okay, well, I never actually seen these cups in person by anyone else, and I was thinking, and maybe I'm wrong, but where it's looking like, you know, shades of green, maybe that's the color it's supposed to be. But other than that, I think it turns out pretty good. It's a little, seems like it's darker than what it should be, but I don't know. This is well, this is not sublimation, it's just regular print. I print this out to measure the size, but that is what well, that is what it's looking like, y'all. So, but all the ink was released. I think the temperature could go down some, and so my next press, I won't do 380. I might bump it down to 370 and see what that looks like, because it did scorch the paper, and that tells me that it was probably too hot. Okay, so thank you all for watching my unboxing and my sublimation of my tumbler cup that says Silly Rabbit, Easter is for Jesus. Awesome, awesome. And that is correct. It is nothing about a rabbit. It is all about Jesus Christ and the blood that he shed for the remission of our sins, and that we might be cleansed from all guiltiness and from our sins, because we have been purged with the blood of Christ. So, in saying all that, y'all have a blessed rest of your day. I don't know. I may be back with something else today. I'm not sure. I'm going to try to just work and get some things done, but we'll see. Thank you for watching Brenda Lee's Creations, all things printable and more.